It's very tragic to have such accidents. It can be a aircraft system malfunction, human factors, or a maintenance error, or it can be a design fault, a material failure, or it can be due to the external factors like environment and weather conditions. It is very unfortunate. It's very tragic to have such accidents, but accidents do happen. There are various factors because of which an aviation accident takes place. So we call it as probable root causes. There are many to say that it can be a aircraft system malfunction. It can be human factors, which we call it is due to the errors which the aircrew or other people can commit, or a maintenance error, or it can be a design fault, or it can be a material failure, or it can be due to the external factors like environment and weather conditions and other aspects which are beyond the control. So looking at these accidents, like any aviation safety experts will say that it is very premature to come to a conclusion because all accidents happen not because of one reason. It happens due to multiple factors aligning together and then results in an accident. So there are many theories which are being floated around, and yes, of course, they also say with various factors or the current existing evidence. However, the actual cause of this accidents can be confirmed only when we decode the digital flight data recorders, the cockpit voice recorders, and we also collect evidences, and they do go through various investigations of engine parts and other aspects. Then they can finally come to a conclusion, say that this can be the probable cause or causes. It can be many or one because of which an accident happened. One of the reasons why we do this accident incident investigation is not to find a blame or blame an individual or the manufacturer or the design or the pilot or a maintenance engineer. Idea is to prevent these accidents happening in the future. That is the only main reason why the accident investigations are mandatorily carried out. And there are accident investigation experts around the world. In fact, you should have heard that a lot of many senior and experienced investigators from the various fields are arriving into India. They are going to assist in this investigation, and with their help and then with advanced technology which we have in the current scenario, we will be able to clearly identify the root cause of this accident. The safety department is responsible to carry out internal investigations of incidents. Actually, there is a difference between an incident and an accident, which generally people don't know. Incidents are minor in nature and accidents are major in nature. Generally, an incident is the one which is very small and happens to aircrafts during flying. So we carry out an internal investigation with a board which we form in an airline with our own experts, and the proceedings are analyzed and then we forward it to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, and then we do find out why this incident has occurred, and then we put in place the mitigations so that such occurrences don't happen. These small incidents, when they happen, they finally result in an accident. So these incidents are indicators of major accident. However, an accident investigation is carried out. Like in India, we have a board called Aircraft Accident Investigation Board, AAIB. Now, those are those people who will be responsible to carry out this accident investigation. Currently, there are a lot of safety regulations and security regulations. By the way, our safety is separate and then security is separate. Safety talks about aircraft accidents and prevention of aircraft accidents and loss of material or loss of life. Prevention is what is the main aim in aviation safety, whereas security is it's about safeguarding the assets and safeguarding the aircrafts from intentional demolitions or intentionally breaking something. That is the security part. So we have different agencies taking care of the safety and security. When it comes to aviation safety, we have a lot of regulations in place, and the regulators put in place various checks and balances, rules and regulations, and there are various licensing requirements for everyone who work in an airplane. Only authorized, experienced, skilled people are only allowed to work in an airplane. This itself is the first safety measure which helps aviation to be safe.